What's up, man? It's your boy Smiley, man. I'm back on the JOB one more again. I'm working on this Dodge Dakota Sport '02. What was happening, man? It was no crank, no start, and everything was saying that the computer was working like it was supposed to. Checked all the fuses, all the relays. Had one loose ground wire. I'm not saying that had anything to do with anything, but it was loose. Tightened that up, and like I said, one get no crank, no start. Every light on the instrument cluster was coming on. Headlights working, hazard lights working, everything working like it's supposed to. Even getting power down to the starter. Now, this was a remanufactured starter that was put on there, so you already know that it was just that one part that they replaced, and they sent it back to the distributor to be sold again. So that's what we was dealing with. The starter was going out, that one part was going out. Took it back up there, got another starter, put it on there, crunk right up like it never was messed up in the beginning. And so if anybody out there that dealt with or got a vehicle that they dealing with this type of problem, it was showing codes of what they call it, the automatic shutdown, you know what I'm saying, system and all that. It was showing the PDON code and all that. Man, check the starter, especially if you got a remanufactured starter. Man, please check the starter. And so it's running, it's finished. So yes, once again, you know what I'm saying, another successful job by your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I got it going, it's running. And like I said, put that new starter on there, it's ready. So yeah, Bojack, Bojack. Peace out.